Fuck poppin', man. You feel what's going on, man? We outside big ass pit crew party, you dig?
And she told me that she love chinks, damn. With the pussy like a sweatshop, like I'm working at Shein, Had me trippin' for a sec, like, hey, shorty bugging, damn. Fuck it, do it for the plot, cause if she got the bubbly, I'ma eat her with the chops, like, yeah. She sucked the tip like she smoking on the side. She's so bad, like, oh my god. I'm going in the road. Like, yeah. Bad joints.
Hey, so, fuck yeah.
We're late, it's Rico.
Yeah, I ain't late. We're going! Hell yeah.
Hey, can we loop that way?
Y'all can go park inside, but here, put this on.
Alright.
And then I'm about to tell her that you good.
Alright.
Hey, we got cars. We got cars and we leave the cars out here. Right. Come back, because y'all, I need y'all to park it over here.
So where you want us to go?
You got that good meat on there. Twin, your turn's about good as fuck. That good meat.
Talking about that good meat. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, pause.
Got a bit air right now. I got
I wasn't even going. Good seeing you, man. Chilling.
What's up, man?
What got down?
Hey, make sure your seatbelt is on. Make sure your seatbelt is on. Yeah, they go like that.
Oh, we can't roll back this way?
No, this ain't no seatbelt. You make sure your seatbelt on.
Say that again, he made him do it?
They said make sure your seatbelt on. You cannot slide without your seatbelt.
That's crazy. Hey, your seatbelt on. Your seatbelt on. Let me see. Let the windows down. Hey, windows down. Windows down. Let go.
What up, buddy? Yeah. Are you spinning? Oh, yeah, we gotta get in there. Oh, I bet. I'm scared my shit might break, but fuck it.
Break it, fuck it.
I think about this fucking
What's up, man? What's up, bro? Oh, brother. Yeah,
Hey,
definitely.
free treat by the way. We went on you to touchdown.
Oh, you gotta do the grand opening, bro.
Oh.
You gotta do the grand opening.
Ba-ba-da-ba. Oh, you ready? Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Hey, don't lock up my crib partner. You know what I'm saying?
police.
Hey, follow me on Instagram, THABIGO601.
Nigga, this is the police camera.
Hey,
No.
never mind. Don't worry about that.
No, don't put it out.
We finna.
Wait, nah, let's go return these
We
niggas
finna
shit
get your camera back though. We finna
get it charged.
We finna be good Samaritans.
Let me
and
finish
bring
the vlog.
your camera back.
We gotta finish the vlog, hell no.
We got a police camera because it fell up. And
Y'all want to turn the camera on you, man?
Hell no.
Hey, we got the police camera.
we got the police dad.
We got it. Hey, we going viral, nigga.
We're going. Chilling, gang.
Oh, nigga, I can't leave.
No, he just ran for 12. On feet.
Big Crip nigga ran from police. I don't understand why he did that.
We're going.
Everywhere.
We're going. Chilling.
Yeah, you good, bro?
You gotta get in the cat, twin.
Yeah, let me know something.
I don't know who that is.
I think it's Nico.
Oh, it is. Is it? That's got Nico shitting on buddy. Nico shitting on buddy, boy.
We out.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Hello, boss.
break. So look, they about to stop this shit. Lenny about to spin. He about to do a burnout on the car. I bet. About to do a burnout on the boys. That's how we coming, bro. Fuck GSP.
But where you see? Where?
Just wait.
Watch your mouth, boy. Boy, take your bitch, nigga.
You have police out here.
Where? What?
That's true. Come over here.
Hey, roll back. They ran. I don't know where they was at. It was non-existent.
Nah, they did.
Y'all gonna race this?
Nah, we can have it.
No, bro.
Why?
Who the fuck is that? We got
well,
Josh.
All right, well, that's gonna be it for the test too. But
Did you look at the tires?
oh yeah, I still got tires.
Okay, good.
But the pit, I was
Eating them hoes.
But what? Wait, what?
Oh yeah,
That shit was rough.
Yeah, we got.
Hey, you know, look. If I need to switch, the sun on this side. Do I need to switch? I need the best. Man, God, what the fuck?